In this lesson, we're going to get set up for the first time in Solidworks. So at this point, I've just pulled Solidworks up by double-clicking the desktop icon, and this is where it leaves us at. We're going to start by opening up a new project. We can do this either by clicking New Document over here in our Getting Started area, New Document here on our Common Options, and under SolidWorks, if I go to the SolidWorks icon, I can go to File, New here. So I'm going to click New, and this option comes up. I can make a part, an assembly, or a drawing. We're going to make a part. So I hit OK, and we get our initial SolidWorks screen up. What we want to do at this point is set it up to work in inches. To do this, we're going to go up to our Common Options, and you'll see right here there's an Option button. Click on that, and in here we have options for our document. We're going to click on Document Properties. In here we want to make sure that our overall drafting standard is ANSI. If it's not, we're going to click the down arrow and change it to ANSI. Then we have a bunch of options down our left-hand pane. What we're going to do is click on the one that says Units. Then in here we're going to make sure it says inches, pounds, and seconds. And under our length decimals, we're going to change this by clicking in the box, then clicking on the pull-down arrow, and changing it to 3 places. We're then going to hit OK down on the bottom of our screen. You'll see down here I'm going to hit OK. This has us set up for that now. At this point, we're going to look at what we all have on our screen for options. On the very top, we have our common menu bars. If I move over SolidWorks, we have our SolidWorks file options. That's these here. And over on the right-hand side, we have our resources. That's these here. If I click the little house, we get these resources over here. This area in here is considered our graphics area. That's where all of our drawing and stuff gets done. This little thing here, this is called our reference triad. This shows us where all of our axes are pointed. Down on the very bottom, you're going to see this bar along the bottom. It says we're editing a part right now. But what this is our status bar. Different information will come up on this bar as we go along. The left-hand side over here is our Feature Manager design tree. In this, it'll tell us a history of everything we've done. Across the middle, we have our Command Manager. Our Command Manager will give us our feature information. If we click on the next button, our sketch information. The next button is Evaluate information, and so on and so forth. The main one is Features and Sketch. We're going to go to Sketch. Then we have right here, this is what's considered our heads-up display. That's pretty much it for the user interface. Thanks for listening.